The herd is blocking the track and shows no sign of retreating. They quickly realize the reason. One young female appears to be in distress.
We saw the bulge that she had under her tail, and we didn't know what it was.
As the young elephant sways and strains, Andrew realizes what they are looking at.
It's a baby, but it's coming out. She's giving birth. Oh, wow.
This sighting is truly remarkable, as elephants normally give birth at night.
It's coming out.
Oh my God.
Kick it out. I think we can see the head.
The entire vehicle was, gasping. The ladies were emotional, everybody was crying. You couldn't believe what you were seeing.
Wow.
The tribe of gray giants closes ranks around the laboring mother, gently encouraging her through the ritual of birth.
You can see the glands on their faces start to secrete. And you start to wonder how much joy is shared by this herd of elephants in this birth.
There you go. It was a bit of a worrying thing for everyone on the vehicle because the calf didn't move. And then the matriarch, not the mom, came and started pushing it around with her foot and trying to lift it up with her trunk.
Kick it around. So you get it.
You see these snow white baby feet. You think it's completely pathological. But over time, they start callousing, start absorbing soil, and there's actually pigment that deposits in them. And then you eventually get this normal-looking foot.
Andrew decides to give the new mother and calf some space to bond. But over the next few months, he watches the baby elephant blossom.
Every time we saw him, it was like we saw you when you were a minute old. It was nice to see him grow and develop into an elephant.